प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम एक नया टॉपिक शुरू कर रहे हैं और थोड़ा सा इसको और इजी वे में करेंगे। घबराने का कुछ नहीं है, मुझे भी हिंदी आती है और मैं हिंदी बोलती भी हूँ। So let's discuss about our new topic, that is algebra. Lot of times जब हम solve करते हैं, when we are doing calculation, we face difficulty when we see minus minus. क्या करें? एक प्लस कर दें, एक खोल दें, एक छोड़ दें। प्लस माइनस में क्या करें? माइनस प्लस में क्या करें? अगर यही साइन मल्टीप्लाई में है और ब्रैकेट के पहले है तो क्या करें? इतने सारे ट्विस्ट होते हैं दिमाग में। We have so many twists when we are doing algebra. So these we would be starting with the basics today and we would be going step by step so that this would become the most interesting and easiest topic for us to solve. So today we will be learning this. But before I start the video, during this time I went through some interesting blogs. So this is my shout out that if anyone is interested in watching any tourism blog, then please they can go and see the channel Aisa Desh Hai Mera by Radheshyam Khandal, which I really find so interesting and exciting that I loved enjoying that during this exams time. These blogs really helped me to energize myself. It gave me the energy because exam pressure teacher or students से कौन समझ सकता है. So do watch the blog and let's start our new topic, algebra. Hello my students, how are you? Hope everybody is preparing for their exams and doing their best. Our today's topic which we are starting will be none other than algebraic expressions. Yes, I know this topic is little tricky because we have to understand the signs, what to do when there are double minus signs, minus minus, or when minus plus is there, or for opening brackets, what are the rules and regulations. So today we would be starting this topic. So आज हम इस टॉपिक पे बात कर रहे हैं. इसके पहले ये टॉपिक शुरू करने के पहले हमें इसमें कुछ बेसिक टर्म्स, कुछ वर्ड्स और कुछ एक्सप्रेशंस है जो हमें सीखना है, which we need to practice and understand so that it would make our topic very very interesting and the fear related to algebra will also diminish. So let's start our today's topic. So for doing algebra, what we need to understand are the different terms which we use. So what are those terms? We have always done 10 plus 5 that is 15 or 22 plus 7 that is 29. Like we have taken the values of certain terms which are fixed. If I write, what is the meaning of this? If I write 22 at any place, the meaning word which will clarify our thought will be that the value it will be 22 anywhere. I write it anywhere, it will give you the same meaning. It is not that it will change the meaning. Whereas if I take it, this is known as consonant. Whereas if I take any variable means anything whose values could be changed. So those are known as variables. So in algebra we are dealing with two things, that is variables and consonants. Consonant means the values of these digits will be fixed wherever I use, like 10, 15, 13, 27, etc. any number. And here variables, in order to take, we can write A, B, C, D like this, or X, Y, Z, whatever we can write. M, N, O. This can be anything. Means the values is not fixed. It can change its values and place related to the values given in the question. So suppose when we are doing this is consonant, this is variable. These are also, these X, Y or A, B, C, D, the values which you are putting. These are also known as literals. So in algebra, whenever we are doing calculations, a consonant or a number and a variable or a literal, a combination of these two are there. With related to this, we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, गुना, भाग, जोड़, घटाव, हम इससे रिलेटेड कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. अलजेब्रा में इन्हीं दो को कैसे यूज करना है, कैसे अप्लाई करना है, आज हम यही बेसिक सीखने वाले हैं. तो देखते हैं कैसे करते हैं. Let's see how we are doing it. So suppose how to do the additions using a combination of consonants and variables. Consonant और variables को लेके अलजेब्रा में additions कैसे कर सकते हैं. So the first thing what we are doing is addition. 2x plus 3. So what is the meaning here? 2x plus 3. X is a variable and 2 is a consonant. Means 2x is equals to 2 into x. Whatever is the value of x, I will multiply with 2. See, the value of 2 is fixed. 2 means 2. But this can change according to different questions. अलग अलग questions पे इसकी values differ कर सकती है. So जैसे additions है, ऐसे ही multiplication, ऐसे ही subtraction है. इसी तरह से हम लोग multiply के questions लिखेंगे. इसी तरह से division के questions लिखेंगे. क्योंकि हम step by step, we would be doing this step by step. So let's first see how we are doing additions. And suppose the value of x, how we are supposed to find? There is always an LHS and RHS given in algebra. If we have to find the value of a variable, अगर हमें x की value find करनी है, तो हमारे पास LHS और RHS. अब ये LHS और RHS क्या होता है? LHS means the left hand side, means the question. Suppose I write a question, 2x plus 3 is equals to 7. If we write this question, so this portion before is equal to, it is dividing the question into two parts. ये LHS, ये RHS. इसको left hand side और ये right hand side. So left hand side is known as LHS and right hand side is known as RHS. अब इसको लेके हम इसका वैल्यू कैसे निकालें? ये क्वेश्चन देखते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. How to do? We don't know. They are getting confused. So nothing is there in this. What to do is see. इसको कैसे करना है देखो. Let's see how to find. So now this is 2x, this is 3, this is 7. We are supposed to do the calculations here. But before that, let's understand how we are using the different sign. If there are minus and minus in the question, that will become plus. But the sign of the bigger number will be applied after the end result. Suppose minus 3 minus 2. The answer is, it is addition. So we will do 5. But the sign of the bigger number will be applied. The bigger number is 3. It is having a minus sign. इसमें minus sign है, इसलिए minus sign apply होगा. Suppose minus plus दिया है, that will become minus. But the sign of bigger number here again will be applied. See, I'll give you it in 2 examples. 2 उदाहरण से मैं आपको समझा रही हूँ. Let's see. Suppose ये minus 7 plus 10. Minus plus minus हो जाएगा. 7 minus 10 will be 3. Sign of the bigger number. Which is the bigger number? 10. तो इसका साइन क्या है? प्लस. तो हम यहाँ पे प्लस. बट प्लस को लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है. If I simply write 3 also, that will also justify it. We don't have to give the different signs. Now, next question, इसी को रिवर्स कर देते हैं. देखिए, minus 10 plus 7. See, साइन का कितना बड़ा इम्पैक्ट होता है अलजेब्रा के अंदर. आंसर वही है 3. बिकॉज 10 में से 7 अगर हम माइनस करेंगे, बिकॉज माइनस प्लस इज माइनस, 3 ही होगा. लेकिन व्हाट इज द साइन ऑफ द बिगर नंबर? माइनस. बड़ा नंबर का जो साइन है वो अप्लाई होगा. बड़े नंबर का साइन क्या है? माइनस. सी, एक ही को अगर हमने खाली अलग अलग जगह पे प्लेस कर दिया तो उनमें कितना डिफरेंस है. यही अगर सी माइनस प्लस इज माइनस, plus minus is also minus, same rule applies. Sign of the bigger number will be there. If minus is मल्टीप्लाइड विथ माइनस तो साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. There will not be any minus sign in those case, which I will be teaching when we will be doing multiplication. हम जब गुना करेंगे तो इस चीज के बारे में फर्दर डिस्कशन करेंगे. चलिए इधर आ जाते हैं हम इस क्वेश्चन पे, इस सवाल पे जो हम कर रहे थे 2x plus 3 is equals to 7. इसमें कैसे करेंगे, x का वैल्यू हम कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे. So now 2x, x is a literal or a वेरिएबल, इसको हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ही रख देंगे. यहाँ 7 है, हमेशा ये याद रखें, प्लीज डू रिमेंबर दैट द फर्स्ट नंबर विल बी रिटन फर्स्ट. इट्स नॉट दैट कि 3 पहले लिखेंगे 7. क्यों नहीं लिखेंगे, बिकॉज देखो मैंने डिफरेंस दिखाया कि माइनस साइन में बहुत डिफरेंस हो जाएगा आंसर में. सो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का पहला नंबर हम पहले लिखेंगे, फिर हम राइट हैंड साइड का नंबर राइट हैंड साइड का लिखेंगे. अब हम इसका साइड चेंज कर रहे हैं. साइड चेंज, साइन चेंज. जब भी हम अगर किसी नंबर का साइड चेंज करेंगे, चाहे लेफ्ट से राइट या राइट से लेफ्ट, साइड चेंज, इनका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. इफ इट इज प्लस इट विल बिकम माइनस, इफ इट इज माइनस इट विल बिकम प्लस. सो प्लस साइन विल बिकम -3. सो 2x इज इक्वल्स टू 4. नाउ x, ये क्या था मैंने शुरू में बताया. आई टोल्ड इफ नथिंग इज देयर इट मींस 2 इज मल्टीप्लाइड विथ x. 2 इज मल्टीप्लाइड विथ x. 2x इज इक्वल्स टू 4. साइड चेंज, साइन चेंज, सिंपल ट्रिक. प्लस का तो माइनस हो जाएगा मैम, लेकिन मल्टीप्लाई का क्या होगा. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगर मल्टीप्लाई है तो डिवाइड हो जाएगा, बिकॉज रिपीटेड एडिशन इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन और रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन इज डिवीजन. सो 4 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 काटा x का वैल्यू 2 आ गया. Isn't it very easy? क्या ये सब बहुत ज्यादा इजी नहीं है? Yes, I know it's very very easy. चलिए now let's look for the next sum. So प्यारे बच्चों, now अब हम क्या करेंगे, अभी हमने सीखा कि कैसे निकाल रहे हैं. इसके और भी जो क्वेश्चंस है, सम्स हैं, हम करेंगे. लेकिन इसके पहले बिफोर दैट सम मोर लिटिल टर्म्स आर देयर व्हिच वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. बहुत बार हम क्वेश्चन में देख रहे हैं x to the power 3, y to the power 4, z to the power 2, a to the power 5. ये क्या है, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग. भाई 3x और x to the power 3, मैम एक ही तो है, कोई डिफरेंस है इसमें. मल्टीप्लाई तो हो रहा है, ये 3 ऊपर क्यों, क्या मीनिंग है, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस टर्म. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस इन दिस. इसमें बहुत बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस है. क्या, लेट्स सी. x 3, व्हाट, सपोज द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 2. ओके, हम x का वैल्यू अगर पुट कर रहे हैं, ये मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, सो इनटू 2, दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 6. इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब है x को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब है x को 3 बार अपने आप से मल्टीप्लाई किया. x is multiplied with itself 3 times. We write it, this is known as power. x into x into x. इसका मतलब ये है. तो क्या फर्क है मैम, देखते हैं आंसर निकाल के. Let's see what is the basic difference we are getting here. See, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. देखो यहाँ आंसर आ गया 8. ये तो बहुत छोटा सा नंबर है. So when we are doing this, this is becoming multiplication here. But here only with the number it is being multiplied. And here the number itself is being multiplied. So this is the difference. Suppose in the question, lot of times, the examiner asks a to the power 7. Write it in multiplication form. So how to write? A into A into A into A into A into A into A. 7 बार A को multiply कर देंगे. And lot of times they ask that write the powers of the literals. How will I write? Suppose it is given x into x into x into x. So what would be the answer now in this case? The answer will be x 1 2 3 4 to the power 4. This is being read as x to the power 4. So this we have to understand that 3x and 3 to the power x. There is a difference which we should keep it in mind while we are doing the calculations in case of algebra. Now let's see one more thing. So see here some of the questions. First we will learn how to give it the form of algebraic expression. Then we would be finding the values of x. These type of questions also come in MCQs or in fill in the blanks, which are very easy if we understand the tricks. Like x increased by 12. X increased by 12. Finished. The answer is x plus 12. You don't have to do any type of calculations. Here they are not asking you to find the value of x. They are just asking you to form the algebraic equations. The difference of a and b when a is greater than b means a minus b. You have to just write a minus b. The product of x and y added to their sum. Product. What is the meaning of product? Product means multiplication. Product means multiplication. So the product of x and y, x into y. In case of algebra, we simply write xy. This and this written are the same thing. If these things are written together, it means x is multiplied with y. So the product of x and y added to their sum means xy added to their sum. What is the sum of x and y? We don't know the values right now. अभी इनका values हमें पता नहीं है, इसलिए x plus y. If we know the values, we will place and we will find the answer and write. Thrice x added to y squared. Thrice x. See what I told. Thrice x means 3x. It is not written x in the form of power. Added to y squared plus y squared. Y squared means y to the power 2. So thrice x, 3x. Don't make a error by writing x to the power 3. No. It is 3x plus y squared. Now last one, see, x cubed less than y cubed. X cubed means x to the power 3. 3 means cube. 2 means square. These are the way we go on doing. Minus y cubed. Y cubed. So this is the way in which we do algebraic expressions. So these were some of the questions taken from R S Aggarwal of class 6. If any student want any other question, do mention it in the description box or the comment box. I will definitely solve it for you. And if you want me to solve any equations of algebra of your class, please do write that. So see, now this sums have been taken from R S Aggarwal class 6 chapter A exercise 8b. So we'll start one by one so that if we face any difficulty or we have any problems related to the clearance of any basic questions, we would solve them step by step. So, and before seeing my answer, please pause the video, try to solve, then check it, which is really going to help you. ये आपको इस तरह से मदद करेगा अगर आप बीच में पॉज कर करके खुद सॉल्व करोगे. Suppose the question is a plus b. मतलब a का वैल्यू और b का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है हमें. हमको क्या करना है? We will just replace it. खाली a की जगह a का वैल्यू 2 plus 3 this is equals to 5. खत्म. So this इतना इजी भी नहीं है लेकिन हार्ड भी नहीं है. We are going step by step. पहले basics clear, then only when we will get bigger sums and questions, we would be solving it with great ease. Now next question is a square plus ab. How to do? A square means I told a into a plus ab. The meaning is this. So the value of a is 2. So 2 into 2 plus 2 into 3 because the value of b is 3. Here the sign of plus is there. So 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. Next question is ab minus a square. So a into b again, 2 into 3 minus a into a, that is 2 into 2. This is equals to 6 minus 4, this is equals to 2. See here, you can see here plus and the difference and see how the answer changed. So algebra is very tricky. We just have to focus what is asked in the question, accordingly we just have to solve it. That would really help. और बिना mistake के होगा. and trust me, it's very interesting topic. So now 2 into value of A is 2 minus 3 into value of B is 3. Now this is 4 minus 9. This is equals to here we have to see the sign, because here where plus sign was there, no need to place the value of sign. Here the number, after doing calculation, the sign bigger number was 6, so it is plus sign we have not given. But now see here, I will do 4 minus 9. If nothing is written means it is plus. So this is 4 minus 9 is equals to 5. But sign of the bigger number. If we don't give minus sign here, the calculation or the answer, the final answer will be considered wrong. You will get a cross mark if you don't give a minus sign. So 2 more sums in this number 1 is there. Let's do that also. So now see the next question. 5a square minus 2ab. So 5 into value of a is 2. So 2 into 2 minus 2 into 2 into 3. So 5 2 are 2 2 are 4 and 4 5 are 20. 20 minus 2 2 are 4, 4 3 are 12. The answer is simply 8, because here the sign of the bigger number is plus. If any sign is not given, then we will consider that there is a plus sign. So the answer is 8. Now we come here. A into A into A. A cube means A into A into A minus B into B into B. So let's see. A is 2. So 2 into 2 minus 3 into 3 into 3. This is equals to 8 minus 27. The answer here is 19, isn't it? This is plus, this is minus. Plus minus क्या करना है? Yes, हमें माइनस करना है, लेकिन साइन ऑफ द बिगर नंबर नहीं दिया तो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. सो यहाँ पे हमें एक माइनस साइन देना है. साइन ऑफ द बिगर नंबर इज माइनस. 27 इज हैविंग अ साइन ऑफ माइनस, सो वी आर डूइंग इट माइनस साइन. सीधा भाषा में अगर याद करना है तो ये सोच लो, मैंने किसी को 27 रुपये उधारी दिए, उसने 8 वापस दिए और कितना लेना है? 9. तो ऑफ कोर्स वो अपने अकाउंट्स में इसको -9 के फॉर्म में लिखेगा. सो दिस वी हैव स्टार्टेड एक्सरसाइज 8B from RS Aggarwal. The further questions of this exercise we would be doing in our next video. So let's keep watching, and if any doubt, please do mention in the comment box and keep practicing.